Manjula, Secretary to Government, Department of Electronics, IT, BT, Science and Technology. Shri T. Bhubalan, Chief Executive Officer of the Center for E-Governance. Dr. Kalairaj Naidu, Director of National Cyber Security Research Council. Madam Seema, Project Director, KSTC. Shri Venkat Mangudi, Founder and CEO of this organization. All other members of this very, very distinguished gathering. It gives me immense pleasure to be amidst you in this national conference on cyber security. Threat to cyber security is no longer a peripheral concern. It is now a serious matter. As per the National Cyber Crime Reporting Portal, cyber complaints in India have reached 28,15,000 last year. On an average, it comes to 7 to 7,500 complaints against cybercrime being lodged or reported. These complaints are also indicative of the huge financial frauds taking place. They are in the region of 22,495 crores of rupees. Many of us must have read in the newspaper recently that cyber criminals, they impersonated ED, IB officers, judicial officers, Supreme Court. They fabricated the documents, digital signatures, and even the stamps, and represented to an elderly couple that their bank accounts are connected to narcotic activities, money laundering activities. They were bullied, intimidated, threatened under the judicial and investigative authorities' names. The elderly couple was made to transfer the accounts to the so-called safe account, that is, to the accounts of the fraudsters only. I must share my experience, which took place about an year and a half ago. I received a call from an unknown person, unknown number on my mobile, and he represented to me that he is the Assistant Administrative Officer of LIC. He said, sir, you have taken the insurance policy from LIC in 2000. It is maturing in 2030. And you will be getting, 5 lakh rupees on maturity. But however, we have a scheme now, one-time scheme in LIC. If you want, you can get, 5 lakh rupees right now. You need not wait till 2030. Then in the next breath, he said, all that you have to do is just pay the processing fee, 5% processing fee of 5 lakh rupees, which comes to 25,000 rupees. Okay. For a moment, I was wondering, that I have not taken any policy from LIC in, 2000. Why? Where is the question of that, maturing and all that? Then I realized, yes, this is, a fraud call. On my disclosing my identity, immediately he disconnected the call. And I was saved from being defrauded. Now, in the popular parlance, this is perhaps called Nigerian prince category, where fraudsters impersonating the officials or the wealthy individuals promise large sums of money in exchange for initial fee. Malware is a type of software designed to cause damage to the computer server, network, or infrastructure. It can be installed into your computer just by clicking a link in the email. A phishing attack is designed to deceive victims to reveal vital information such as password, credit card details, etc. Hijackers illegally access computer systems or network to steal the data or to disrupt the operations. The other frequently reported cybercrime is production, distribution, possession of child pornography through a computer system. Thanks to the founding mothers and fathers of Budapest Convention, which provide harmonized approach to tackling the cyber crime. India is not a signatory to that, but to protect the personal data of individuals. In 23, central government has enacted the Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2023. On hearing Madam Manjula and Sri Kubalan, I felt so very happy that we are at number 14 in the world in this field. In many respects, Karnataka is the forerunner of thoughts. What others think tomorrow, maybe other states or other countries, Karnataka has already thought today. That's why I said it's the forerunner of thoughts. In a way, Karnataka is the lighthouse for other states in India and for other countries also in the matter of strengthening cyber security. I thank the organizers of this function for inviting me. I must candidly mention that when my friend Mangudi and his team members came to invite me, I was reluctant to accept the invitation. I was reluctant because I continue to be typically a blackboard and chalk piece teacher. I am not an extensive user of technology, but the enormity of their call was such that I could not say no to them. And that keeps me present to see, here we see amidst you. I am sure the brainstorming sessions would take place in today's sessions or workshops, and the path-breaking solutions would emerge. Path-breaking solutions to combat the cyber crimes. I would wind up my brief address with one fervent appeal to the organizers of this function, that whatever resolutions are passed at the end of all the sessions, kindly send their copies to me. If some law can be recommended to the government based on the outcome of today's proceedings, it would also serve the purpose of holding such a meaningful conference. Thank you, everybody. All the best.